story continues to go and grow.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Baran.
I'm totally hooked.
Mm-hmm.
I love the characters. They're great.
Yeah, Weeds is really fun. Kevin Nealon's really fun.
Poor Ronnie's been sitting down for so long. Oh, you know what? He's gonna try to eat the dog food, and he's gonna tip over the water bowl.
I was wondering about that.
Yeah, he'll totally eat it once he discovers it.
Dog food.
I kind of don't want him eating dog food.
Yeah, it'll be alright. When there's any of her dog food out, I always eat it. It doesn't usually sit there for very long.
Junior.
Oh, I was thinking, Evans, if we
Baran's
go,
having fun with the doggy.
if we go, do the Hollywood thing, is that where the gallery is?
Yok,
Where we stop
yok
by? The
Baran'cığım.
gallery place?
Mm-hmm.
The paintings are? I'd love to go and see the paintings, because I think the contract's almost up, isn't it? No?
I haven't heard anything from him in a while.
I know, that's what I was thinking, why don't we do a stop by?
Well,
Is that also in the same area? Like Beverly
it's way up in
Hills?
Hollywood, but yeah, we'll do that when we go up to that area.
So Ryan's coming out tonight?
Mm-hmm. Oh!
Oh,
Oh.
Emery.
Okay. I'm filming him.
No. Baran.
Hi, Baran. Hi, Lars.
And now, exciting, huh, Ivy? Exciting.
I was like, what's going on?
Don't start a beverage we're on. We're gonna have tons of entertainment.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is the great thing about having a dog. If you don't have another sibling for the
Mm-hmm.
He's really fascinated by the dog. They have some sort of wild animal in their house.
It's like a wind-up toy that just keeps on going. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
You got hair now. Every picture I've seen, he's just got just in the beginning.
Yeah.
Look at that healthy head of hair there.
Oh yeah. I mean, I keep having to cut it.
Not bad.
I've cut it twice already.